Not coming. Participating? And she's participating for traveling sector.
नहीं वो लेट हो गए थे वेट किया कल तो सारा दिन
बेटे काम बच्चे
हाँ जी बेटे रेडी स्माइलिंग गुड वेरी गुड थैंक यू
We'll just take it. Good morning. Sir, good morning. I'll just introduce you to my team, sir. He's my coach captain, sir. He's Dr. Baba. He's a national swimmer. He's your sister. Captain XP. This is my team, sir. My senior section in charge is Vinyasyal. This is Namita. So this is after the head mistress. And Sonia Verma, she is in charge middle section. This is Anusera, she is primary in charge. And our kindergarten in charge in mission, she is also in charge. She is a doctor. This side.
आप हाँ जी आप फोटो सर एक मिनट हाँ हेलो हेलो भैया आप अपने घर में ही करता रहते आप थोड़ा सा आगे जी
Thank you. Good job. Thank you. No, in Punjab.
Along with Pushkar Singh, the Chief Rahul Gupta and Deputy Chief Vikram Singh Randhawa commands the contingent of 900 cadets. The Chief guest, along with the Principal, is now inspecting the guard from the smartly of maintaining the discipline of the school, especially on days like this. Along with the Chief, Rahul Gupta, Deputy Chief Vikramdeep Singh Randhawa, the officers Pushkin Singh, Riddhi Jain, Rahat Verma, Ritika Mohanty, Shreya Arora, and cadets Isha Mittal will be recognized for their contribution on the closing day of the annual athletic meet. The young officers Viren Sood, Anirudh Gupta, and Saksham Shukla of Class 11 are known for their leadership qualities. Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. B.K. Singh, Treasurer Dr. Lajpat Rai, esteemed members of the Trust and Management, Principal Mrs. Navita Puri, heads of various sections, distinguished guests, loving parents, caring teachers, and the ever-enthusiastic students. A warm welcome to each one of you for being a part of the opening ceremony of the 68th Annual Athletic Meet. Like all athletic meets, this athletic meet too will witness many victories and defeats. But losing and winning does not matter. It rostrum and address the gathering. Ma'am, please.
Good morning to all present. Honorable Chief Guest for the occasion, Shri B.K. Singh, IRS, Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, the President and members of Shri Kundanlal Trust, the President, Manager and members of the School Managing Committee, distinguished guests, parents of Kundanites, representatives from the print and electronic media, members of staff, and my very dear children. I extend a warm welcome and heartiest felicitations to all of you on the occasion of the opening ceremony of a 68th Annual Athletic Meet. Mr. Vinod Kumar Singh is an Indian Revenue Service IRS officer of 1993 batch. His father retired as PCS and grandfather was a teacher who got prestigious national awards for teachers from Dr. S. Radhakrishnan in 1966. He is now serving as Additional Commissioner of Income Tax, having jurisdiction of Ludhiana, Moga and Jagrao. Mr. B.K. Singh obtained MA in Psychology from Bodh Gaya University. He is recipient of University Grant Commission Research Fellowship. He has completed course from the Management Development Institute, Gurgaon, and course on taxation from Duke University, USA. He has been attached with Ministry of Finance and World Bank. Mr. B.K. Singh joined Indian Railways and thereafter Indian Revenue Service in 1993 after passing Civil Services examination. He was trained at Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy at Mussoorie and National Academy of Direct Taxes at Nagpur. He has served as Assistant Commissioner, Deputy Commissioner, Joint Commissioner at Kolkata, Delhi and Chandigarh. He has also served as Additional Director Investigation responsible for conducting income tax searches in Chandigarh and Punjab. He was appointed Nodal Officer for Punjab to monitor the misuse of money during Assembly elections in Punjab 2012. I, on behalf of entire KVM family, extend a very warm welcome to you, sir. As we are all aware, sports are an integral part of school curriculum. We at KVM have believed in nurturing the sporting talents of our students with equal fervor as we nurture their academic talent. And the large participation of our students in this athletic meet held every year bears testimony to that. I urge the students to participate in this meet in true sportsman spirit and makes us all proud of you. Jai Hind!
थैंक यू मैम। कुंदन विद्या मंदिर के विशाल प्रांगण से जहां तक मैं देख रही हूँ, दूर दूर तक अभिभावक जन, आमंत्रित अतिथिगण एवं छात्र छात्राएं दृष्टिगोचर हो रहे हैं। मैं देख रही हूँ सलामी मंच, जिस पर हमारे आज के मुख्य अतिथि